Hi friends, welcome to Free Range Cottage. I'm Tanya and we have some errands to run. My youngest son and daughter are coming with me and we're a thrift loving family and my daughter's never been to the Goodwill bins. So we decided to stop by there just to see if there are any treasures to be found. So I thought it would be fun to bring you along because I know this community here loves a good thrift find. So let's get started and see what we find.
Okay, let's throw these in.
I'm kind of looking at furniture first. Sort of looking for some things. Those chairs are cute, but they have some tears. Those would be really cute if they were redone. And those are $3 a piece, guys.
I've never seen the bed before. So do you want to get it for
20-piece set. Better Homes and Gardens. Pretty well used though. It's busy. Didn't think it would be as busy today, but it is busy. It's pretty busy. I don't know. Usually when it's this busy, things are kind of picked over.
We gotta go there and have glasses.
Do what? Yeah. You can put it in mine if you want. Huh? Just start digging. I don't know, worth the risk or not? What do you think? Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
I don't know if I like it or not, but I just threw it in there to see if I like it or not. I found some really cool books here. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my haul with you at the bins. We had a lot of fun and I did find a few things, even though it was kind of picked over today, but I found this burlap lampshade and it's got a bit of a watermark on it, but I think I can get that out. Let me know if you have tips for that on burlap. And then I found this little metal basket and I found this lamp. I actually weighed this ahead of time. It was only $2 and I just want to maybe try one of those paint treatments or something on it. And then I just found a grapevine piece here that I could put lights on it and string it across somewhere. Then I found these melamine bowls. They're really dirty, but they're called Ace melamine. I feel like they are vintage and I'm hoping, I scraped it with my gloves and I feel like that could all come off with a good soaking and a wash. And then I found a little dinosaur for my grandson. And then I found a painting in actual oil. And I found a couple of cute scarves. I found this one, And this one looks really vintage. I just love that pattern. And I found a pair of Eddie Bauer jeans that I'm gonna try. Hopefully they work. They were probably maybe $1. And I found a couple of books that were more vintagey. This song book, I think this one was from the 50s. It was really cute. And then this train book that was from the 70s. And I really thought that was a cute book. And it had under the dust jacket. Always look under the dust jackets because look at that cover. Isn't that pretty? That would be even great on a coffee table. So that's what I found at the bins today. And I spent just right around $10. So let me know what you think in the comments, and if you have a bins nearby you, and let me know if you would have bought some of these things in the haul. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. It's just a grapevine, what do I want to call it? What's that called, Rachel?
It's, I can't even think of the word.
I can't think of the word. That happens to me when I'm
like
filming.
Grapevine.
Okay.